let's do a restoration staff at low level 2 so he can learn those. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. What's going on? You have a snack? Oh, no. Don't mess with the mic. Come here. Come here, Bubba. Come on. Let's get down. There you go. So, because my necromancer is going to be a resto staff off staff, I want to make sure that he's able to research all this stuff as well. Oh, Kitty's back. Okay, Bubba. You want to hang out? That's fine. We're chilling right now anyway. Yeah, right now we're hanging out with my cat Link. You wanna look at the camera? You wanna look at the camera, Bubba? Look at him. Hey. Come here. There we go. And we're just making stuff for my other character to craft. And really just try to level up. Met a guy from San Antonio today. That's cool. Looking for a guild. Got a tank here. I mean, I'm super low level, so I guess I need to wait a bunch more, but I'm ready to play. So let's just make as many of these things as we can so that we can go ahead and level up. Oh, oops. Oh, my inventory space is done again. Come on, Link. We're trying to focus here, Bubba. You wanna hang out? It's fine. Okay, Bubba. Let's put all this shit in the bank. Hey, it's okay. Come here. He really likes my streaming setup.